I got a surprise for you. Hello everyone, and today I have a Lego package in front of me. I managed to snatch this up really quick after it went on sale. This is something I've been wanting for a while, and it's been out of stock for a really long time, and I have been checking, refreshing the Lego page. That was the first thing I did every morning, waiting for this to come back into stock, and I managed to grab it. I'm pretty sure it went out of stock real quick. But I'm going to go ahead and open this up so you guys can go ahead and see what it is that I have been waiting for and spent my paycheck on. Okay. I really want to be careful so I do not damage the box. So we have a Lego box, and then inside the Lego box we have another Lego box. Who would have thunk it? Now I can get rid of this box. And here I have a bigger Lego box, and I gotta figure out how to open this. Now, as you know, when I do unboxings, I like to perform a thorough analysis of the box. So I would like to note that this has some very beautiful purple coloring, which is also on the other side, so I didn't need to turn it. But it's very beautiful coloring, real simplistic packaging, although unlike the Home Depot one, this is a multicolored packaging, so I do have to give them some props there. Now it says, do not cut with razor. Well, I'm not using a razor. I'm using a knife. Okay? So please remember that knives are not razors, and razors are not knives. Now here we are. You can see a little taste of what is inside. And I can get it out here, and here we are, upside down, at least on my side, yes, upside down. We have the huge, colossal 6,020 piece Harry Potter nanoscale castle. Now, I believe that this is the second largest set currently for sale by Lego, only eclipsed by the Millennium Falcon. I could be wrong on that, but I'm pretty confident. And it certainly has a really diverse minifigure collection. I don't know if you guys can quite see, but we have a bunch of nanoscale minifigures here. And then there are also these limited edition minifigures right down here that come with the box. And these are only found in this set. So are all of the nano figures, by the way, also found only in this set. And I am a big fan of Harry Potter. Well, not a huge fan, but a pretty big fan. I've read all the books and seen all the movies, and this was something that was really interesting to me because this is one hell of a display set, and I love display sets. And if we turn it around here, you can see the level of detail is just insane. You've got everything. You've got potion rooms, trophy room, everything that you could possibly want in a Hogwarts castle. Now, I owned the, I don't know if it was the original, but I owned the older Hogwarts castle. The first one, I think it was the first one that came out, back when I was, I don't know, 12, maybe 11, and that's currently up in the attic, but I figured that this will finally complete my collection. I have a lot of Harry Potter sets, and this is going to be the crown of my collection. It comes with the car as well, and a little mini version of Hagrid's house, which is not on the front of the box, but it's really detailed, and there is a lot of sticker work though. When I was doing research for this, I did come across a lot of sticker work, and if you've seen my stream of me trying to build other sets, I really struggle with stickers, so we'll see how this goes. Hopefully it will end up looking good. I'm really going to do my best because I really want this set to be a really good display. Other than that, it is just massive. This is going to have to find a good place to go. I'm not sure what the final dimensions are, but they are not small. This is not something that you put on your desk. This is something that has a shelf all of its own. And my apartment is pretty full right now, so I'm going to have to take some time to figure this out. And hopefully you guys will be there with me as I do that, as I'm going to be building this on stream, so don't worry. I'll also be making a video of this at some point in the future as I build it. I'm not certain when I'm going to be getting around to it, because like I said, I had to find a spot, but I just couldn't let this sit in a room waiting to be unboxed. I really had to show it to you because I am super psyched about this. And I really hope that you guys stick around to watch the streams when they happen. So please, if you're not already, join the Patreon, join our Discord, subscribe, hit the bell, leave a like on this video if you want to see me do this quickly. And I really hope that you are here for the next video. Goodbye.